Welcome to the show. It gives me zero pleasure to have to report to you today that the Trump economy is collapsing before our eyes, and the numbers don't lie. Wall Street is in a free fall. Layoffs are starting to surge. Consumer confidence has cratered. Inflation has ticked back up. Yet again, as I record this, the Dow is down another 400 points. Even Donald Trump's favorite metric I'm talking about the stock market, is looking like a slow motion train wreck. And the kicker is that it's because of Trump and it's because of Elon Musk. Yesterday, Monday, saw one of the worst stock market drops in a long time. The Dow at one point was down 1,000 points. This is after being down 700 points the day before, last week. The NASDAQ tanked 4.2%, its biggest single day decline since 2022. The S&P 500 broke below what's considered a critical support level for the first time in 2 years. And even the mega corporations that Trump once paraded as signs of a strong economy, they're not doing well. Apple, led by Tim Apple, that's a joke, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, plunging. Tesla, down 15% in a single day. We'll talk more about Tesla in a moment. These are some of the biggest drops in years, wiping out hundreds of billions of dollars of market value. And why? Trump's economic chaos. The tariff obsession is here and it is back and it is staying, and the damage is showing. The threats to Canada, to Mexico, to China, they have investors panicking. Businesses can't plan. Prices are rising. Uncertainty is dragging down this economy. And even JP Morgan Chase is now warning that there's a 40% chance of a recession this year because of Donald Trump's policies. If we zoom out a little bit and we think about what leads to stability, predictability leads to stability. Companies rely on stability when saying, how many people do we want working for us? Can we give raises this year? Do we buy more inventory? And what we're seeing is Trump treating the global economy kind of like a reality show cliffhanger, which I believe he thinks he's going to be able to save and take credit for at the last second. But it is costing Americans their savings and their budgets. You know, Trump loves talking about bringing jobs back, but it's not working. Federal job losses are piling up as Doge continues to say, we don't need these people, and we don't need these people, and we don't need those people. Private sector layoffs hit their highest numbers in February, going all the way back to the Great Recession of 2008. The latest jobs report, very much weaker than expected. About half of the expected jobs were created, unemployment ticking up. And now we are seeing the real impact of Donald Trump's anti-immigration agenda as well, because you see industries like construction, like agriculture, even in healthcare, they are running out of workers. And without workers, businesses cannot function, at least for now. We'll see what AI and robotics do in the future. Tesla, once the darling of Wall Street, now the poster child for Trump's economic disaster. Consider the 180 that has happened here. The stock losing more than half its value since December, sales tanking, investors fleeing. I fled a while ago, as many of you know. Trump's trade war making it worse. And even worse is that Tesla's brand is collapsing, and not just because of Donald Trump's tariffs. Musk has tied himself to the sinking ship of Donald Trump, and consumers are running for the exits. Tesla stores are getting vandalized. Longtime customers, like myself, abandoning the company. As many of you know, I had a Model 3 and then a Model Y, and I was a Tesla investor because I thought this is the company moving forward, electric vehicle battery technology, the fastest. I want to be part of it. Then Elon Musk went nuts, and the car build quality was really not great. And I got out. as many of you know, with a 1,200 and 1,600% gain. And the Tesla fanboy said, David, this is the biggest mistake you'll ever make. You'll regret this. Well, I'm not regretting it. And EV sales globally are still going up, but Tesla's market share is going down. We'll talk more about Tesla. When confronted with this reality, with this economic mess that is surfacing, Trump says, well, we're going to have a period of adjustment. We're going to be in a transition period, which is translation for things are going to get much worse before they get better. And Trump is admitting that his economic policies are hurting Americans. Wall Street sees right through it and they're running for cover. Trump inherited a perfectly reasonable economy. We are now on the verge of total collapse. Layoffs up, inflation ticking up, consumer confidence and consumer spending down, stock market in free fall, recession odds the highest they've been in a long time. Trump's response is more chaos and more bluster and more disoriented confusion, which, disoriented confusion could be a band name or it could be the motto of Donald Trump's political career. This is his mess. And I'm thinking, how bad does it have to get before it gets better? Let's now talk not about Trump, but about co-president Elon Musk. Did you know that an estimated 5 billion plastic hand soap and cleaning bottles are thrown away every year? Our sponsor, Blueland, is on a mission to eliminate single-use plastic by reinventing cleaning essentials to be better for you and better for the planet with the same cleaning power that you're used to. The idea is super simple. Blueland offers refillable cleaning products with a beautiful, cohesive design that'll look great on your countertop. You fill your reusable bottles with water, drop in the tablets, wait for them to dissolve, and you'll never again have to grab the bulky cleaning supplies on your grocery run. Refills start at just $2.25. You can set up a subscription or buy in bulk for additional savings. And Blueland products are independently tested to perform alongside major brands. They are free from dyes, bleach, and harsh chemicals. From cleaning sprays to hand soap, toilet bowl cleaner, laundry tablets, all Blueland products are made with clean ingredients you can feel good about. Blueland is trusted in over 1 million homes, including mine. I've been using the Blueland dish detergent and the toilet bowl cleaner for a while. Couldn't be happier. And you'll get 15% off your first order at blueland.com/Pacman. The link is in the description.